Bike check?
Don't even know if it's recording.
Fucking, I got the Repco MT Max Track MT1. Fucking Repco MT1 forks. One piece cranks with reflectors on the fucking pedals, full metal pedals. Got the front reflector. Front fucking brakes. Got a Bitex racing hub laced to an outer rim, also Repco. I got the fucking 3 at the front gears, 6 at the back gears. Shimano derailleur, Shimano fucking chain guard. Oh my god, there's mud everywhere. So with that, that's 18 speed. 18 speed gets your bitches fucking good as, man. I got another fucking back Shimano racing hub to the outer rim. Got the back brakes, they look fucking tough. What number of the hub?
I don't know what number the hub is.
Patent number. Fucking patent number. Fucking, I don't even know what it is. Patent number 50583 Bitex. Got the I think that's Shimano, it's covered in mud, I can't tell. Got some kind of pump holder. Got this thing, helps me with the seat, ripped Repco seat.
Fucking dog.
Best thing about the bike, probably say the belt and the kickstand. Kickstand's fucking dope, man. Get a close up of that shit. It's my bike check. Let's get some clips, bruh. That's fucking dope, man.